안녕하세요. Hello everyone. Today I'll be making fried chicken that I often make at home. It's still fried, but just using a little oil makes it much easier and more accessible to make. Let's get started. First, we want to season the chicken with some salt and add a little bit of black pepper. You don't need to heavily season the chicken because at the end we're gonna toss with the gochujang sauce and set it aside for about 10 minutes. This is potato starch. So add the potato starch to the chicken wing. I'm going to just toss with the dry potato starch, no liquid. And then just simply coat the chicken with the powder. Add about half a cup of oil to the pan. We're going to sort of shallow fry the chicken. Place the chicken in the hot oil. Not many people like to deep fry at home. Cooking this way, you can make a delicious Korean fried chicken using less oil. The chicken wings cooks pretty fast, so flip it over once in a while. Make sure the chicken they're fully cooked. Be careful because it can splash all over. So try to use a pan that has a little depth like this or a smaller pot. Okay, this is done. Transfer to a plate. Cool down the pan and we want to make a sauce. Combine soy sauce, mirin, brown sugar, gochugaru, Korean chili flakes, and this is ginger wine. I sliced or julienne thinly the ginger and then add some alcohol to it. Soju, sake, cooking wine, these are all available. A little bit of gochujang. Mix everything well. Heat the pan over medium heat and you want to bring it to a boil. When it gets to a boil, add all the chicken to the pan and then thoroughly mix. Turn off the heat before the sauce burns. Have you heard about chimek? Chi stands for chicken and baekju is Korean word. And we believe that beer and fried chicken makes a good match. I'll give it a try. I want to have more beer with this. The recipe for my chicken wings is really easy to make and it's delicious. Give it a try and let me know if you like it. Thank you for watching. I'll meet you on my next video.